how to express. It is really that already not many or much still at the location or place in Cantonese and Kongtonese. 冇乜仲響度㗎啦，冇乜仲喺度㗎啦，冇乜仲響度㗎啦，哦，冇乜仲喺度㗎啦。Vocabularies 冇 means not. In this case, it means not, and is also known to have a derived meaning as not have, which has nothing to do with this case. Ma means many, much, a lot, plenty of. Related to the mark in dialect languages and is comparable to carrying. Mark or marga. 中 means still. 響 or 喺 as a verb it means be located at, as a preposition means at, in, on. And they are interchangeable in terms of usages within Cantonese and Kongtonese, though the locative particle in Cantonese and Kongtonese, which means where, place, location, the emphatic particle ga, really that. Realization particles in Cantonese and Kongtonese as in other dialect languages like Thai and Shung. The following are the general variations within the same la, which means already. Note, in this instance, only the vowel abroad r is presented. Here are the samples. La, 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 la.